Hi, welcome to another buzzing walkabout here on Buzzing Pattaya, and in this video I want to show you around the TukCom Shopping Mall. Now this is located along Pattaya Dai, heading down towards Second Road. If you haven't been here, honestly you've missed out, because this place really is a gadget stroke electronic heaven. If you like all your mobile phones, computer, laptops, cameras, software, all those kind of things that are related to electronics, then our TukCom Shopping Mall here on Pattaya Dai is 100% the go-to place, and you can pick up some really good bargains, but please be aware that there are a lot of copies as well. So please make sure when you are spending your hard-earned cash that you clarify, particularly with the mobile phones upstairs on the first floor, as to whether or not this is an original product or a copy. And normally the price gives it away and will help you with an indication as to what you're actually buying. But I have to say, I've been here a long time, I've used this shopping mall many times, and personally I've never had a problem. And near the end of this video, there's a guy at the top called Mr. Kong, and he is the business. If you ever have any problems with your computers, he really is absolutely top drawer, very affordable and extremely good. Been here a long time, an absolute master when it comes to repairing and helping you with your upgrades on your computers, etc. So he's located on the third floor, Mr. Kong, and he's right next door to the DIY shop. So as you can see, it's just a shopping mall here, 3 floors. There are more floors, but as you go up further up, there's nothing at all up there. So pointless heading up that direction. But certainly floors 1, 2, and 3, there are a lot of things here that you might be interested in. And you can see, you know, there is literally shop after shop after shop. I would hazard a guess, there's probably a good 300 different stalls, stroke shops, all selling electronic gadgets. On the first floor, the ground floor here, sorry, downstairs you can see that there is a Tops Market, so if you're looking for some shopping, etc., you can go down there. And as well as down there, they've got things like massage chairs and just general bits and pieces really, but certainly for your mobile phones and your electronic gadgets, you want to be heading up. Now, I'll let you enjoy that scenery. Okay, now we've got that out of the way, and I've lost my train of thought. Don't know why, can't imagine. But as I said, there's Tops Market, and for those of you that are not sure about Tops, it's more of a foreign-based shopping market. There's all our goodies that we're used to having back home will all be in there, and they have a good butchers in there, good selection, as you can see here, of organic food as well. So it is quite a decent place to go to if you're into your European food. Something that's not really my cup of tea. I'm more into Thai food, and I like my hot spice food, so that's really my angle. But as I say, downstairs here there are massage chairs. You see there in the distance the gaming stations. You'd be amazed that the Thai people love playing these games. They just sit there for hours and hours and hours, and sort of like the whole day goes by, and then that's the end of it. Here's the massage chairs. Truthfully, they're rubbish, if I'm being honest. If you're going to get a massage, you know, pay the extra and just go to an actual massage shop, and you'll get a proper decent massage. But these chairs, you know, they're meant to massage you, but in all honesty, they're rubbish, in my opinion. I don't know, maybe you disagree, but for me, they're just a complete pointless waste of time. The mall is very well signposted, so you're not going to get yourself lost. If you're not sure where you're heading, they've got these signs all over the place, so it's actually quite well put together, in fairness to them, and it's very easy to find what you're looking for. And there are the lifts. I would hesitate to use the lifts. In the years I've been here, I know that they have failed a fair few times, to be honest. So if you're claustrophobic and you don't want to be confined in a space like that, I would recommend perhaps giving it a miss and using these escalators. And on all the floors, there's little coffee shops here, which is perfect. You know, if you want to have a sit down, have a coffee and think about what you're looking to buy, etc. If you just purchased something and you want to sit down and have a play, there's a lot of these coffee shops around, so you can't go wrong. And as I said earlier, you know, when you go to these kiosks, please guys, be careful, you know, be careful. And they won't lie to you. Oh, I say they won't lie to you. They shouldn't lie to you. They don't normally lie to you. If you ask them, is this a copy? They'll tell you yes, a copy. And in fairness, the price will indicate it. You know, you're not going to get your latest Samsung for you know 3,000 baht. That's just not going to happen. But if you want a really good copy phone, or you need some gadgets, they've got it all here. As you can see, you know, all the light rings for all these bloody live streams that are going on at the moment. I'm sure they're selling these like hotcakes. And if you're into live streaming and you need all that stuff, then again you can see there's literally thousands and thousands of mobile phones, iPads, tablets, you name it, they've got it here. It really is the go-to place when it comes to getting gadgets. And as I speak to you right now, at the time of making this video, which is in the first week of January, despite the lockdown, this is open. This is a current video. They are not locking down this shopping mall, which surprised me, I have to be honest, because as we understood it, it was essential shopping only. Maybe a mobile phone is essential. Maybe that's how they're judging it. I'm not quite sure. But certainly, as you can see, it's open. One of the great things I love about this place is the cost of computers. Their computers, particularly the laptops, are very, very affordable, and you get a lot more for your money here than what you would do back in the UK. And the nice thing about this is upstairs on the top floor, where Mr. Kong is, on the third floor should I say, there's a great place which I'll show you, and they do all the programs, everything you can imagine, from Photoshop to Premiere Pro to you name it, they've got it, and you can get it at an incredibly good price. Best camera, you see this place here. Now, I've known the owner there for many years. I buy my cameras from him. Fantastic service, very, very nice guy, very reliable. And they give you a good price. And like everything, you can haggle. So if you want to adjust the price a little bit, give him a nudge, and I'm sure he will do that for you. He really is a nice guy and an amazing photographer. Very, very clever man. Now this floor, as you're going to see here, is pretty much dedicated to the accessories and to the cameras and stuff. And you know, you can see here, there's so much available. So if you do enjoy all that kind of stuff, then come and have a look. Worst case scenario, you'll waste an hour of your day. Best case scenario, you'll pick yourself up a Philly bargain and you'll walk out a happy person. And you know, as you can see here, like Dell with the Acer Pro, these are originals. You know, they don't do copies. These are originals. And you can get them at a good price. You know, a decent, and I'm talking decent laptop, you're going to be pushing out around about 11, 12,000, you know, which is nothing compared to back home. Mr. DIY, now this is your go-to point, because right there, you see King Kong Computers in front of you. Mr. Kong speaks very, very good English, is absolutely top quality. I can't rate him enough. He's helped me out many, many times. Brilliant guy. Any problems that you've got with your computer whatsoever, gaming, consoles, you name it, go and see him. He will help you out. He really is a genuinely good guy. And likewise, if you live here and you've got a problem with your computer, give him a call, because he will send his guys out and they will come and help you, as they have for me in the past. And yeah, very, very reliable service, and highly recommended. Can't recommend him enough. He really is a top man. As you can see here, all your gaming stuff, movies. Do they watch these movies anymore? I don't know. I can't remember the last time I watched a movie on a CD. Didn't think they even existed. But apparently they do, and there's thousands there. So if you want some bootleg copies to take back and flog to your mates, or on the market, whatever, then come up to this floor. There's literally thousands and thousands of them. And if you got the kids with you, there you go. Happy days. They can have a play around on these gizmo gadget things that they like. All right, so that's it. We're going to show you now. You can park around TukCom. If you've got a motorcycle, it's very easy. Don't park here on the left-hand side. These taxi drivers get the right arse with you. It's quite sad, really. They get all protective over their little area. But if you've got a motorcycle, you can go around here, all the way around all three sides, and you can park. If you've got a car, however, as you can see here, it's very, very difficult to park. Having said that, where that motorcycle is in front, this left turning here, just turn left down that soy and around the right-hand bend, and there is a multi-level car park. So if you are in a car, just go around that side and you can find yourself ample parking space and then just walk back. It's literally a few seconds away. It's not a big deal. But as you can see here on the right hand side for the motorcycles, very, very easy to park. Just be aware that they will cram these bikes in. So if you have parked your bike, don't be surprised when you come back out to find two other motorcycles jammed really hard up next to you. That's the way it is. Massage places on the left here for the young lads. They will give you a massage if that's your thing. And straight opposite you see here the Deli Diner. Used to be some great food in there, really, really nice. They're closed. I don't know if they've closed for good or whether they've closed just for the time being, but they did have a really good range of food in there. Okay, so as you can see, that's it now. We're heading back down to Pattaya Dai, and if you turn left, not like that, but if you turn, our camera, what was that all about? If you turn left, and that will take you down to Second Road, and if you turn right, that will take you back up to Third Road. All right, there you go. Hopefully, if nothing else, if you've got any problems with your computer stuff, you know where to come. If you're looking to buy some electronic gadgets, again, TukCom really is the place to be. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when we bring out a new video. And don't forget to hit us up on our Telegram group. The Telegram group really is going well. Lots of photos and great discussions, great chat on there. All right, that's it for me today here on the Buzzing Walkabout. Thank you very much for watching. And please, I look forward to seeing you in the next video that we release in the very near future. Thank you now and take care. Bye-bye.